Hi everybody, it's Ray here with further updates on my shoulder surgery, rotator cuff repair. Today is actually day 6. I skipped a few days, but kind of uneventful. I'll tell you about the progress being made in the last couple of days. My arm has gotten a little irritated from the inside of the sling, and primarily heat. I've tried medicated powder and some hydrocortisone cream, and it's a little helpful, but in general, the inner side that is in constant contact with the sling just gets irritated. So what I kind of have discovered is, I'm looking for a lighter weight sling that can solve this, but until then, is if I just grip this grip and I just leave my hand on the outside of the sling, you'll see that I'm supported essentially by the pillow, and my arm is on the outside in what is essentially the same position it would be in if I were just inside the sling. So by gripping this and kind of keeping my arm tucked, I'm able to move and still keep the shoulder isolated, but it allows air to get on the arm and not feel so hot and irritated. So big deal. Been making progress with the exercises, doing my shoulder isolated, but curls up, and then doing these rotations out. Very tough to get to the edge of my body. Actually, this morning I was able to do a little more, but from inside, I'll show you from inside, rotating out, can't quite get the shoulder, just too much pain and too much tension still, but it's a little better than it was yesterday. I might have gotten another inch or two, so I'll take it. Every day is a little better. Very hard to sleep. I'd say I'm always waking up around 2 or 3 in the morning with shoulder pain from having slumped down. I've tried the bed almost every night. I keep trying to get back in the bed, and I give up around 3 in the morning and go, unfortunately, to the couch or the chair and prop myself up with pillows, because when you recline too far, there's just too much pressure on the back. And when there's pressure on the top of your shoulder blade, it shifts the shoulder and you have pain. But I'm still able to make do with just ibuprofen and naproxen. And I've avoided the Percocets. I'm hoping to stay away from them. Diet's been normal. I was able to get out and get a little exercise today. I was outside, and the weather was great, so I was able to get out and just feel a little active, because I think that's important too. Just sitting inside is not doing me any favors. But yes, trying to keep the shoulder isolated. And another big victory was being able to get this t-shirt on, which now that I'm able to sort of let my arm droop as I'm doing these arcs as part of my exercise routine, I was able to just put the sleeve on the shoulder and get it over my head and put on a t-shirt. So for me, kind of a big victory. And again, in terms of recovering, I'm using, whenever I need to type, I'm using the left arm to grab the right arm to get it in position, and I'm able to get both hands out extended in front of me now with really, my arm's fully extended now, and there's slight discomfort here, but basically no pain. Up until, I would say, yesterday, there was quite a bit of pain, but now I'm able to keep the hands extended, type. If I had to do the trackball, I think I would be fine. So today, Thursday, day 6 of the recovery, and going very well. Hoping to get cleared Tuesday to go back to work Wednesday. Thank you for watching.